I have 4 of these things. They fully charge, as you can see here. See? Now look, the cat is right close by. They don't even ring. Nothing. Right there. And right here is the color. Don't waste your money on this product.
Collar, there's the receiver. This one doesn't actually work. My other dog over there has the other one on and it works fine. Like, it actually works too well. He gets within 5 feet of it and it goes off. This one is on. I even put some fresh batteries in it. I don't know if you can see the on. And it basically won't work unless it is touching the receiver. So it only works if it's touching it, which isn't ideal